With me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Apps. Now scroll again to hit Cloned Apps and click on plus icon next to one of your available apps you wish to clone. Then wait. So when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. To get rid of this clone, go back to the same settings and use bin icon over here. Then you can choose delete and confirm your choice here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!